Round like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel within a wheel, never ending or beginning, on an ever-spinning wheel, like a snowball down a mountain, or a carnival balloon, like a carousel that's turning, running rings around the moon, like a clock whose hands are sweeping past the minutes of its face, and a world is like an apple, burning silently in space, like the circles that you find in the windmills of your mind, like a tunnel that you follow to a tunnel of its own, down a hollow to a cavern where the sun has never shone, like a door that keeps revolving in a half-forgotten dream, or a ripple on a pen someone tosses in a stream, like a clock whose hands are sweeping past the minutes of its face, and the world is like an apple when silently in space, like the circles that you find in the windmills of your mind, keys that jangle in your pocket, was a tingle in your head. Why did summer go so quickly? Was it something that you said? Lovers walk along the shore, leave their footprints in the sand, the sound of distant drumming, or the fingers of your hand, pictures hanging in a hallway, frequently a song of remembered flames and faces, but who do they belong? When you knew that it was over, and you suddenly aware that the autumn leaves were turning to the colour of your hair, like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel within a wheel, never ending or beginning, whenever spinning wheel, as images unwind, like the circles that you find in the windmills of your mind. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another oldie goldie classic song from the Thomas Crown Affair film, theme music called Windmills of Your Mind. This version by Noel Harrison, I believe. Okay, standard tuning, doing it in the same key as Noel Harrison originally recorded the song in. Okay, so let's go through it. Some nice chord changes here. Okay, so it starts off in E minor, round like a circle in a spiral, within a wheel, and we go to A minor 6. Okay, so it's an A minor with pinky added to the 2nd fret of the top E string. 5 down to 1. Okay, got that? So E minor, round like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel within a wheel, never ending, or B7, beginning like an ever spinning E minor, like a snowball down E7, that's an E chord with the 3rd finger off, open the 4th string, mounting or a carnival, A minor, balloon, like a carousel, that's D7, turning or rings around the G major 7th. Right, the G major 7th is one of my favourite sort of shapes, that diagonal chord, starting on the top E string, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 2nd finger's playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 3rd finger's playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and pinky's playing the 5th fret of the 4th string. Sorry. So that's 3rd finger's playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and pinky's playing the 5th fret of the 4th string. Just those 4 strings, 4, 3, 2, 1, yeah? So let's just try and go that first half of the verse, okay? E minor, round like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel within A minor 6, wheel never ending, or B7, spinning, like an ever spinning, E minor, wheel, like a snowball down E7, building like a carnival B, A minor, like a clock that's hands are G major 7th. No, sorry, carousel, that's D7, sorry, first. Turning like rings around the G major 7th. Okay, that's as far as we got. Let's go through that again. I probably confused you there. E minor, round like a circle in a spiral, A minor 6, B7, E minor, E7, A A minor, D7, G major 7th. Okay, that's as far as we've got. Now clock is now C major 7th, that's a C chord with the first finger off. A minor 6th again. The world is B 7th. Silently in space. G diminished. Okay, that's what I'm saying. It could be an E diminished, same thing. Okay, G or E diminished, however you want to call it. Okay. First finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Second finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, the B string. Third finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and pinky is playing the 3rd fret of the top E string. Just those 4 strings. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice arpeggiate that down. Okay, like I said, there goes like the circles. That you B7, find in the windmills of your E minor. Find. End of verse. And then basically repeat it all for the 2nd verse. Okay, so let's just do this whole verse in one go, shall we? E minor. Round like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel. A minor 6th, never ending. B7, E minor. E7, A minor. D7, G major 7th. C major 7th, A minor 6, B 7th, G diminished, the circles at you, B 7th, and the windmills of your E minor. Then straight into the next verse, exactly the same chord sequence, E minor, like a tunnel that you follow to a tunnel, A minor 6, B 7, E minor. E7, A minor, D7, G major 7, C major 7, A minor 6, B7, G diminished, the circles at you, B7, fine, in the windmills of E minor, fine. Then we go into the middle section. Okay, keys that jingle in your pocket, with a jangle in your A minor 7th. So an A minor with an open 3rd string. Take that 3rd finger off. So E minor, keys that jingle in your pocket, with a jangle in your head. Why did summer go so D7? Quickly, was it something that you G major 7th said? There was walk along the G7th. I'm playing it a bar chord, G bar chord with pinky off. Sure, then leave the footprints in the C major 7th. Again, that's that C with the 1st finger off. Okay, and then we go to F sharp 7th. So it's like the G 7th, but down 1 fret. 2nd fret, bar chord, major chord, pinky off. B minor, 2nd fret, bar chord, minor shape. That's the first half. Okay, so let's go through that again. Coming out of that 2nd verse, like circles that you find in the windmills of your mind. Keys that jingle in your pocket, keys that jangle in your A minor 7th, D7, G major 7th, G7, C major 7th, F sharp 7th, B minor. As far as we've got, yeah. Now we go to pictures hanging in at E 7th, A minor, half remembered films and D7 faces, but whom do they be? G major 7th, G, C major 7th, F sharp minor. So that's the 2nd fret. You can play as a bar chord if you like, or a simple one. Barring the first 3 strings, 2nd fret, and 4th fret, the 5th string and the 4th string. This autumn leaves were B7 turning to the colour of his E minor. Okay, so that's the whole middle section. Okay, so let's just go through this middle section in one hit. Okay, so coming out of the 2nd verse, like circles that you find in the windmills of your mind, keys that jingle in your pocket, words that jangle in your A minor 7th, D7, G major 7th, G7, C major 7th, F sharp 7th, B minor, E7, A minor, D7, G major 7, C major 7, and suddenly F sharp minor, where the autumn leaves were B7, turning to the colour of his E minor hair. Then we're into the last verse, okay? So we've got hair, goes like this, hair, like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel, just like the intro beginning. So A minor 6 again, so like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel within a minor 6 wheel, never ending, or B7 beginning, like an ever spinning. This time we play G diminished wheel. So it's last verse, E minor, like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel within a wheel, A minor 6, never ending, or B7 beginning, or an ever spinning G diminished wheel. As the image is on E minor 9, like the circles that you B7 find in the windmills of your E minor strum finish. Nice near the bridge somewhere. Nice slow rake. Okay, so there you have it. So let's go through the whole thing. I'll try and do it as slow as I can. Okay, hopefully you'll follow it. I won't call out the chords this time. Well, maybe I will. I don't know. See how we go. So, round like a circle in a spiral, like a wheel. A minor 6, B7, E minor, E7, A minor, D7, G major 7, C major 7. A minor 6, B7, G diminished, like the circles that you B7 find in the windmills of your mind. The second verse, like a tunnel that you follow, a tunnel, A minor 6, B7, E minor, E7, A minor, D7, G major 7, C major 7, A minor 6, B7, G diminished, like the circles that you B7 find in the windmills of your E minor 5. Keys that G middle bit, like a chain, A minor 7, D7, G major 7, G7, C major 7, F sharp 7, B minor, E7, A minor, D7, G major 7, C major 7, F sharp minor, stop. The autumn leaves were B7 turning to the colour of his E minor hair. Last verse, like a circle in a spiral, A minor 6, never ending, over B7 turning, G diminished, stop. As images on E minor 9, like the circles B7 5, and the windmills all finish on E minor 1. There you have it, boys and girls. A bit of a tall order. Loads of chords. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching and listening. Hopefully if you want to play that song, that'll help you do that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.